Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. And it's been a little while since I made a video, so we're gonna just dive right in and get into all the details of this unit. We're gonna be right back. Hey y'all, welcome back to this video. Sorry that I've been gone for a while, you guys. I needed a mental break from doing wigs, and that's basically what it was. I'm a dog mom now. I started a new job, so I have a ton of things going on. And as a YouTuber, it's exhausting to have to constantly set up and break down my equipment. You guys, my apartment is a hot mess right now, and I have one more video to record after this, so it just takes up all of my day. It's Saturday, and I'm just like, oh my, I don't have time to myself, like, at this point. So I've taken some time to myself, and I'm jumping right back in, but thank you, Divas, for kindly sending me this unit. It's the Outre lace front wig in the style Evalee. It's 20 inches long. It's pre-plucked lace parting with natural baby hairs, HD transparent lace, and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. And this is what the unit is looking like. And this is what the back of the stock card is looking like, and it comes in specialty colors. I got it in the color DR Chocolate Squirrel. DR Chocolate Swirl. Y'all, I'm cracking up. But yes, this is going to be a quick video. It has two combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there. Y'all, it's been a while. Sheesh. Adjustable straps back there as well. And I'm loving the color. I am loving this pretty color. I will say the texture, it's not silky, but it's not really yucky. It is on the silkier side, but it's not giving baby doll hair, I will say. It's not giving a lot of texture either, so just keep that in mind. I think for this unit, it's not really giving super natural vibes for me because, you know, my natural texture is a lot more kinkier. But this is a cute plop and go. If you are familiar with my channel, you know I love me some plop and goes. But y'all, this unit was an easy slay. It's definitely giving beginner friendly. The only thing that I did was I put a little bit of my Fenty foundation underneath. Y'all, I dropped this yesterday. I was so pissed. It crumbled, and there's like a few chunks in here, and I had to clean up. I was irritated. And I went in with this under the lace. This is my actual foundation color, 420. And then I went in with my Beauty contour stick in the color Espresso 05. with a brush along the hairline just to give it that more natural effect. And then for the middle of the part, I did go in with my Fenty, so as well, my foundation. So yeah, y'all, that was pretty much it. I will say it is big hip friendly. It's 20 inches long, it says, but you know, there's a curl pattern to it, so you're not going to see off full 20 inches of the length. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This unit does range on Diva Tress's website for about $30. I will have the link in the description box below as well, so you guys can check it out and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I guess this was a quick and easy welcome back video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.